everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my yearly planning because I get asked so many times what are my topics going to be, what topic ideas have you got, so I thought I'd get it out there and then you can see for yourself what exactly we're going to be doing this year. So for January it has already been done and I have a video of that going up, or it should already be up, of what we got up to. February will be Chinese New Year and the special events are always down the side. March is Mother's Day. April is Easter. May is gardening. June is Father's Day and the start of our grass growing competition. July is our grass head competition and picking a winner and sending them home. August is outdoor fun. September is animals. October is Halloween. And November and December are our Christmas crafts. So I thought I'd just show you what exactly we're getting up to this year, just in case you want to plan along and yeah, see how you're getting on too. Also, I will be doing a activity planning video for each one of them, so if you're planning on doing them in the future, I have already done my food topic, so you can plan from that for next month if that helps. See you soon. Bye.